Tired of constantly checking your Cash App and manually accepting payments? Let's dive into automating your incoming payments and explore whether it's the right move for you. First, launch your Cash App. Make sure you're on the main screen with your cash balance displayed at the top. Next, tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down. Then locate the privacy and security option. It's usually grouped with other security features. Tap on it to open your privacy settings. Look for the automatically accept payments toggle switch. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your app version, but it will indicate automatic payment acceptance. Slide the toggle switch to the on position. Your Cash App will now automatically accept future payments. Please note, you might be prompted to confirm your choice. Now, before you celebrate, consider the potential drawbacks. Auto-accepting payments increases the risk of scams. Always double-check the sender's name and the payment amount because you might want to report the transaction if fraudulent. So, enabling this feature with caution is very important. And that's it. You've successfully automated payment acceptance in Cash App. Just be sure to explore the different features Cash App provides. Don't forget to like this video for more automation tips and subscribe for more Cash App tricks.